Welcome! If you want to activate Always on Display on your Samsung Galaxy S21, at the first you have to go for the settings. Next you have to scroll down until you find lock screen. Right now we have to go for the Always on Display switcher, so click here, then tap to show the settings. So when we tap on the lock screen, we are going to get Always on Display for 10 seconds. We can also go to show always, and we can set it up also to set as our schedule, right? And of course, let's go for the clock style. We can customize it. Let's go for this one, click done. And right now, let's try how it looks on the Samsung Galaxy S21. So click here to lock the device. And as you can see, that's how we can turn on Always on Display on the Samsung Galaxy S21. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!